My daughter, when I demand that you be home before dark every day, I, my daughter, do not hate you, dear. I am merely trying to protect you from the claws of tigers that love to feast in the dark. From the panting leopards stalking like ghosts, almost ready to leap at you. From the hungry lions silently eyeing you, licking their lips, ready to pounce. From the jumpy monkeys that move from tree to tree and from branch to branch with no particular base. My daughter, I am merely trying to protect you from the deceptively innocent porcupine that will give you one sharp jab and you remain nursing deep pain for a long time. From ruthless tigers whose business it is to ensure innocent souls like you live in regret all their lives. Dear daughter, when I say be home before dark every day, I am trying to shield you from the seemingly smiling half-adder whose fangs are always sweet with venom prowling in the dark. Dear daughter, when I say be home before dark every day, I am trying to protect you from the sly jackals who are always sneaking and sniffing around, seeking a meal in the dark. I am trying to protect you, dear, from the hesitant but calculating step of the chameleon. Tell me, daughter, what color is the chameleon? My dear daughter, I am merely doing what fathers should do. It is my duty to protect you from the ruthless black mambas that hate to miss a target as they slide and glide in the dark. My daughter, when I say be home before dark every day, I am trying to protect you from the hissing cobra, dithering and slithering in the grass, seeking friendship, and will kiss your ankles without seeking your permission to do so. Beware, my daughter, the python preys on its victim by changing colors. Oh, those rainbow colors, aren't they beautiful? Daughter, take heed. Darkness has no eye.